Hello math learners! In this video, we will discuss about measuring and constructing segments. This is the second lesson that we will discuss under geometry. In this video, our objectives is to use length and midpoint of a segment and to construct midpoints and congruent segments. The first postulate that we will discuss in this video is all about ruler postulate. It states that the points on a line can be put into one-to-one correspondence with the real numbers. In other books, ruler postulate states that a point on a line can represent a value. Okay, that forms a coordinate. Any line can be a number line. Just what you can see, a ruler looks like a number line. The distance between any 2 points is the absolute value of the difference of the coordinates. If the coordinates or the value of the points A and B are the small letter A and the small letter B, okay, the small letter A and B represent a value. Then the distance between A and B is the absolute value of the difference of A and B, or the absolute value of the difference of B and A. The distance between A and B is also called the length of segment AB or AB. Okay, kapag walang sign per segment sa taas ng AB, okay, it indicates length ng segment. Okay, here we have a given diagram. Okay, meron tayong given line. Okay, to measure the distance between A and B, we'll just subtract the values, okay, that corresponds to the points. Okay, the values here are small letter A and small letter B. Okay, to measure the distance between A and B, we'll just find the difference of the values. Okay, the absolute value of the difference of the values. Okay, bakit absolute value? It is because kapag distance yung pinag-uusapan, hindi accepted yung negative. Kasi walang negative na distance. Okay? Let's proceed to finding the length of a segment. Okay, find each length. Dito sa A, we have BC. And dito sa B, we have AC. Okay. Kapag letter lang, dalawang letter BC, it indicates distance. Okay, let's find the point B on the number line. Then C. Okay, to know the length of BC, we just need to subtract 3 from 1 and find the absolute value of the difference. BC is equal to the absolute value of 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is equal to negative 2. Then the absolute value of negative 2 is positive 2. Kasi sa ating previous lesson about absolute value, okay, for example, negative 2, its absolute value will be positive 2. For negative 3, positive 3 din yung magiging absolute value niya. The next, we have AC. Okay, to find the length of AC, we just need to subtract, okay, 3 from negative 2. AC is equal to the absolute value of negative 2 minus 3. Negative 2 minus 3 is equal to negative 5. Then, the absolute value of negative 5 is positive 5. Okay? Meron naman tayong panibagong example. Okay, first is XY. To find the absolute value or to find the distance of the XY or the X from Y, we just need to subtract 5 from, okay, 1 and 1/2. Okay, 1 and 1/2 minus 5 is equal to negative 3 and 1/2. Then the absolute value of negative 3 and 1/2 is 3 and 1/2. So this will be the distance. The next is XZ. Okay, to find the distance from, okay, the distance of the points X and Z, we just need to subtract negative 3 from 1 and 1 half. It will be 1 and 1 half minus negative 3. 1 and 1 half minus negative 3 is positive 4 and 1 half. The absolute value of positive 4 and 1 half is positive 4 and 1 half. Okay, let's proceed to congruent segments. Congruent segments are segments that have the same length. Okay, kapag same yung length, ang tawag sa kanila are congruent segments. In the diagram, okay, PQ is equal to RS. Therefore, segment PQ is congruent to segment RS. Okay, this is read as segment PQ is congruent to segment RS. Tick marks or itong red marks are used in a figure to show congruent segments. Again, kapag meron kayong nakitang red marks, okay, it indicates congruent segments. In order for you to say that a point B is between 2 points A and C, all 3 points must lie on the same line. And A plus B plus B plus C is equal to AC. Again, in order for you to say that a point B is between 2 points A and C, all 3 points must lie on the same line. And AB plus BC is equal to AC. Kaya tawag dito is segment addition postulate. If B is between A and C, then AB plus BC is equal to AC. Okay? Look at the given diagram. Sa isang segment, okay, meron tayong segment AC dito, and point B is in between. Okay, therefore, segment AB plus segment BC is equal to segment BC. AC rather. Okay, let's proceed to using the segment addition postulate. Okay, M is between N and O. Find NO. Okay, dito, okay, the length of NO is 5x. Then the length of NM is 17. The length of MO is 3x minus 5. What we're going to do here is to find the value of x to find the exact value of NO. Kasi dito, ang given value ng NO is 5x plus 2. Walang exact value. If for us to know the exact value of NO, kailangan nating hanapin yung value ng x. Okay, to do that, we will use the segment addition postulate. Since NM plus MO is equal to NO, kasi yung M is between NO, okay, pwede nating i-substitute yung value ng NM dito sa equation na gawa natin, value ng MO at value ng NO. So, it will be 17 plus 3x minus 5 equals 5x plus 2. Simplify. Okay. 17 plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 3x plus 12. Then equals 5x plus 2. Then solve for x. Subtract 2 from both sides. Okay, it will be 3x plus 10 equals 5x. Subtract 3x from both sides. It will be 10 equals 2x. Then divide both sides by 2. 5 will be equal to x, or x is equal to 5. Kaya ang gagawin natin to find the value of NO is to substitute the value of x to the given value ng NO, which is 5x plus 2. It will be 5 times 5 plus 2. You substitute 5 for x, it will be 5 times 5 plus 2. 5 times 5 is equal to 25 plus 2, 27. Okay, let's proceed to midpoint. The midpoint M of segment AB is the point that bisects or divides the segments into two congruent segments. If M is the midpoint of segment AB, then AM is equal to MB. Again, a midpoint is a point that divides a segment into two equal segments. If point M is between or the midpoint of segment AB, then we can divide segment AB into two congruent parts, which are segment AM and segment MB. So, if AB is equal to 6, then AM will be equal to 3 and MB will be equal to 3.